The 2023 Nissan Rogue key fob uses a CR2032 battery. You'll know it's time to replace it when you get a low battery warning or experience reduced range. Replacing the battery yourself is easy and saves money compared to dealership fees, which can range from $50 to $100. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery, which costs around $1 to $5. Make sure to purchase a quality battery for optimal performance. Energizer CR2032 is often recommended by experts. First, locate the small seam on the back of the key fob near the key ring. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and carefully pry the fob open. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. The lights should flash to confirm it's working. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, it may need reprogramming, which can be done at a Nissan service center.